Can you catch a snowflake? Can you catch a snowflake? Stick your hand out there, catch one. Did you catch a snowflake? Be careful. Is it snowing? Don't run. Don't run. Be careful. Can you catch a snowflake? Catch one. Feet dirty. Brandon, stick your hand out there and catch a snowflake. Are they landing on you?
Do you want me to do it again? There you go. Good job. Yay!
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 Make another snowball.
Make another one. Yay! Brandon, look at Mama. Brandon, watch.
Say hey.
Brandon, say hi.
Katie.
Oh. Hi.
Did you get some on your hat?
Oops.
Did it go down your shirt? Where's your snowball? Brandon, look at Daddy.
Look at Daddy. Brandon, look like at Daddy. Do you want me to make it? Look at Daddy. Yay! Yay, okay.
Do you like snowballs?
Mama's trying to make one. You get it? Yay! Yay!
Yay! Did you throw it?
Mama.
Is it cold?
No. Baby dear.
Are you going to feed the baby deer? Let's take the food back there to them.
You want to go take some back there?
Yeah.
Yes. Is the snow deep?
We have lots of bread.
Where did your feet go? Where's your feet?
Where's your feet? There they are.
Here, baby dear.
Okay, let's go feed the baby
Let's go
deer.
find 'em.
We'll go feed the birds.
It's really deep.
Brandon, do you see the deer tracks?
Brandon, you see the deer track?
The deer come looking for food.
You can come walk on the deer path?
You're making your own tracks?
Feet are kind of furry.
Yeah. Well,
Here, baby dear.
what do you think about the snow, Brandon? Do you like the snow?
Here, baby dear. Here, baby dear.
Are we feeding the birds?
I'm feeding the birds. Here you go. Birds and the deer.
I don't know if deer eat bread or not.
Want to go?
Birds are gone.
They'll come find it once we leave.
They'll come back.
They come back.
They'll come back. We'll have to watch them in the window
to the window.
and see if they come out and eat it.
How's it?
That's right.
Come out, bird. Come out, bird.
Come out, birds. I don't to see where they are.
Here we go. You ready? Brandon, watch. Watch the snowball. Here it goes.
Woo!
Got me all in the face. Brandon, watch this one. You ready? Let's throw it against the wall. Brandon, watch. There it is.
That didn't do anything.
Well, I figured it'd stick. Boom! Incoming! Is that funny? Here, you throw one. Throw it against the wall. Almost. Pick it up. Let's do it again. Throw it again. Throw it hard. Yay!
Yay! Oh, you want more baby deer food?
Is that the letter B? Not really. Did snow get on you? Wipe it off. Look at that. Look up. Are you eating the snow?
Yeah.
Yes.
sir.
What does it taste like?
Apple.
Tastes like an apple?
Does
Does it taste like ice?
ice?
Is it cold?
Food.
Is it good?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Good.
Good
That's
job.
good. Mmm, good snow.
Gonna eat snow?
Are you eating snow?
Yeah.
There's a big piece of snow. Ooh.
That cold?
Which
Yeah.
which
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Which is better, the soft snow or the snowball? Snowball's better.
Your face cold?
You want that piece? Daddy, roll it.
No, take it out.
No, don't pick it up. Roll it.
Roll it.
No, don't pick it up. Just roll it.
You have to make it big enough.
Roll it.
Roll it. Push it.
Push it. Good. There you go.
Top, Daddy.
That's right. We're gonna put it on top. Look. Yay!
Beat it.
Rub it in. Good job.
Brandon, how big's the snowman?
This big.
How tall is he? Is he that tall?
Wow.
Do you like the snowman? Don't hurt the snowman's arm.
His arm.
That's the snowman's arm.
Brandon, that's snowman's arm.
Do you like the snow?
Oh, see, you hurt his arm.
How to go?
I got a feeling the other arm's about to have the same fate.
Oh, you gonna break his arm?
I can't break it down.
Whoa.
Do we have a scar?